Welcome to the rhythm lecture of my course. Rhythm is very important in music. I put this video, the very first one in music theory, because rhythm comes before any other form of music. You cannot play notes, chords, or arpeggios, or improvise, or play any songs without rhythm. But you can have rhythm without the notes. If you think about it, what was the very first instrument created? Some people say it's the flute, some people say it's the harp, but no. It's the drum. The drum was created, very first instrument, and the drum has no pitch. It can't play melody on them. You can't play scales on them. You can't make music out of them, and how the flute and the harp and the saxophone or the piano in this case, or other instruments could do. The drum, however, has music. It has rhythm. Rhythm is the heart of music. You cannot play music without rhythm, but you can play rhythm without notes or other instruments. Now, drums and other forms of percussion instruments are considered as indefinite pitch instruments. Piano, saxophones, flutes, and whatever other instruments, guitars, the ones that actually have melody are considered as definite pitch instruments. Now, definite pitch instruments make notes. Indefinite pitch instruments do not, but indefinite pitch instruments are more rhythmical and definite pitch are more melodical. There's a difference. Now, there's different types of rhythm depending on the kind of song. You can listen to songs on the radio or your favorite songs, and then you can figure out the rhythm. Some have 2/4 beats, some have a 3/4, some have a 4/4, some have a 6/8, a 9/8, a 12/8. Like there's different types of beats and rhythms to the music.